In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and engage with file printouts in OneNote. If you want to bring documents directly into your notes so they're easier to review, organize, and annotate, OneNote's file printout feature is a very useful tool. It lets you place the pages of a document right onto your notebook page, which can be especially helpful for studying, reviewing reports, or keeping reference materials next to your own notes. To get started, open the page you want to work on in the OneNote desktop app. Make sure you're on the exact page where you want the printout to appear, because OneNote will insert it directly into that location. If needed, take a moment to create some space on the page so your document is easier to view and work with once it's added. Once your page is open, go to the top of the OneNote window and click Insert. This is where you'll find the options for adding extra content to your notebook page, including files, images, and printouts. If you use OneNote regularly, getting familiar with the Insert tab can save time because many useful tools are located there. From the Insert menu, click File Printout under the Files section. This option is different from simply attaching a file. A file attachment keeps the document as a separate item, while a file printout places the visual pages of the document directly into your notes. That means you can scroll through the pages inside OneNote and interact with the content more naturally while taking notes. After that, select the file you want from your computer. Browse through your folders, choose the correct document, and confirm your selection. OneNote will then begin inserting the file as a printout on the page. Depending on the file size and number of pages, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time to finish loading. Once the printout appears, you can engage with it directly on the page by clicking around it, moving it if needed, and placing your own notes beside or around the printed pages. This is especially useful when you want to summarize information, highlight important sections with ink tools, or keep related thoughts in the same place for quick reference. And that's all it takes to insert a file printout in OneNote. It's a simple feature, but it can make your notes much more interactive and organized, especially when you're working with documents you need to review closely.